Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a very exciting video because today I used only Essence makeup. Essence is one of my favorite brands. I just love a lot of the stuff that they have. My favorite highlighter is from Essence. I have a lot of lip products that I love from them. So yeah, this is what I came up with today. It is a very natural everyday look, but I'm not doing anything today, so yeah, if you want to see me using a lot of Essence makeup and what I think about them, then just keep on watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe by clicking the red button down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and start with this video. As I said in the beginning, I have a bag filled with Essence products. We have so much stuff. So yeah, I'm very excited to try everything, and let's go ahead and start. So for priming, I'm gonna take this Essence, of course it's Essence. I'm taking the Prime Plus Studio HD Hydra Primer Spray. This has coconut water and it is moisturizing and energizing. This is how it looks like. It has 50 ml in it. Okay, the mist is not so bad. The scent is quite strong. The scent is sort of sweet. I don't really like it. I'm just tapping my beautiful blender over it so it will settle into the skin like that, and we will let it dry for a minute. And let's talk about the foundation that we're gonna try. So this is the Essence Fresh Fit Awake Makeup. I'm sorry if I will say Essence every 2 seconds in this video because I forget that it is Essence only video, but never mind. So this is again the Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. Listen how amazing it sounds. It says healthy glow with vitamin complex and cranberry water, and it has 30 ml. It has a pump and it is in the shade 20 Fresh Nude. This is how the bottle looks like. It is a glass bottle, really nice. And let's see the texture. So oh, I'm gonna love this foundation. Okay, so I came to a conclusion that I prefer foundations that are not liquidy, that are more moussey, because it sits better on my skin. So I'm very excited that this is one of these foundations. So I'm just gonna take it on my beauty blender. Maybe it's a little light for me, but that's okay. It smells like baby wipes. I would say that the coverage is medium coverage, very everyday coverage. So yeah, I think it's quite a good match. I'm not mad. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Essence Camouflage Cream Concealer. I used to use it all the time, but I think I don't like the texture, so let's see. Texture is quite thick, so I'm gonna warm it with my hand. I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger. I'm gonna put on some right here. And I took the darker shade, this one. It's really important to go here because a lot of darkness is hiding there. I'll put some on my chin. And now I'm taking my beauty blender to blend everything. I love how my skin looks like right now. Can you see? It is so beautiful. It covers everything. So for powder, I'm gonna use this Essence Cubanita Banana Powder. It is called Baking and Banana, and I'm hoping I'm not too light to use this powder because usually banana powders are better when you have deeper skin tone. I'm making sure I don't have any creasing, and I'm gonna take the powder and the powder is like melting into the skin. You can't really see it, so it looks darker in the pan, but it is actually not so dark on the skin. Again, as I say in all of my videos, Essence is quite a problematic brand in a way that you don't always have everything in all the countries. Like they bring certain stuff, you know, to different countries, but that's okay. Okay, so let's move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I have this Essence All About Bronze shadow palette. This is how it looks like. Every shade here is a shimmer, which is really nice if you don't have much shimmers, and they are very neutral, so it is perfect. Let me just swatch you some of them because they are just so pigmented. Look at this. So this is one shade and this is another shade. So you can see they are super pigmented. The problem is that you can't achieve a full-on eye look with it. You need to have some matte shadows. So I'm taking the Essence Mosaic Compact Powder in the shade 01 Sunkissed Beauty. This is actually a bronzer, the bronzer that we will use later on. And I'm taking this shade right here, which is more of a brownish shade. And I'm just gonna blend it into my crease. Now I'm gonna take the palette that I told you guys, and I don't know, I think I'm gonna use this shade right here, which is really beautiful, and I'm gonna take it with my finger. I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Because we're going for a more everyday look, I'm taking this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Hot Cocoa, which is a brown shade. So I'm taking it and I'm warming it on my hand. It's very good to warm a product on your hand because then when you put it on your eyes, it glides on more easily. Okay, so if you ask yourself why I love using brown for an everyday makeup look, is that it is more natural. As you can see, it is not very harsh like when you use a black pencil. So now I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna smudge what I put on the lower lash line. So this pencil is very creamy, easy to work with, and the color is so pigmented. It is right here, as you can see. So for mascara, I got a new mascara from Essence. This is the I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. This is how it looks like, and lucky for me, the local drugstore next to me started bringing Essence products that are covered and which are new. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it. This is the wand. Let's go ahead and see what happens. So I love this mascara from the first coat. Like, okay, I don't know if I like it. I like how it applied, but I don't know how it will last on my eyes. But for the first application, I can tell you it really oh no. Okay, we will fix it. But for the first time, I can really tell you that it is really lengthening and separating, which I love. I'm just gonna swipe away the banana powder. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use again the Mosaic bronzer that I showed you before. How beautiful does it look? So stunning. So I'm taking my favorite brush. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush, and I'm gonna swirl my brush. It is quite powdery. I don't know if you can see, but I'm tapping a little bit on my hand. For blushes, I have so many from Essence. Let me show you. I have so many blushes from Essence, but let's use something I haven't used in a long time. Okay, let's use this one. This is also from the Mosaic series. This is the Mosaic blush in the shade Natural Beauty. This is how it looks like. Stunning. So let me grab my blush brush. For highlighter, of course, I cannot go on without my favorite. This is the Essence Cubanita Jumbo Highlighter. I love this. I forgot to put it in my favorites video. I was so devastated. Oh, okay, so this is how it looks like. It is the most beautiful highlighter in the world. It looks so natural. I'm just gonna take a little brush and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. So when I bought everything for the video that I didn't have, I got this lipstick and it looks so beautiful. It is the Ultra Last Instant Color in the shade 08. Whoop, no. This is the color. This is so me. I'm taking the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Big Proposal, and I'm just gonna line my lips with it. And now I'm gonna take the lipstick. So I just love how my skin looks like. What do you guys think? I think it is very pretty for every day. I don't have anything to the brows by Essence. To finish everything and setting the face, I'm gonna take the Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. So let's see. When it starts, it has a different smell than the other spray that we used. Let's go ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, can you see it? No. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. We need to hurry up. Okay, so this one I do not recommend. Oh my gosh. I'm shook. I am shook. Look, my face is splotchy now. But it is definitely illuminating, like, yeah. Okay, let me fix the hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I feel like it is kind of ruined after I used this Glow to Go spray. I do not recommend it. You saw what it did to my face. It was crazy. Like, it has so much pigment in it. I don't know. Maybe I'm supposed... I don't know. I don't like it. If you forget to shake it, you just ruin your makeup, which is crazy to me. But never mind, it has such... oh, so annoying. Okay, but never mind guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Essence is one of my favorite brands. I just love that I got to try a new foundation which is exactly in the texture that I like. I will let you guys know in the description box down below how this foundation holds on to my face and everything. But yeah, I love it. I especially love like the mascara that we tried on today. I love the lips. Of course, I love Essence lipsticks. They're one of my favorites. I have them right here actually. So these lipsticks are my favorite. This is from the range Matte lipstick. I have the shade 01 and 02. This is how it looks like. They are very similar, but I love both of them so much. So yeah guys, let me know in the description box down below what you thought about this makeup tutorial using only Essence product. I just love how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day and week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.